In this video, we will see how you can remove objects from an image using Canva, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. First, go to Canva and add the image that you want to remove an object from. I have added this image. Click on the image once to select it. On the top, click here on Edit Image. On the left-hand side, under Effects, you will find this option, Magic Erase. Click on it. You can zoom the image from here. Adjust the brush size and select the object you want to remove. Now click here on Erase. It will take some time to remove it. You might find small errors, but you can again use the tool, select the area of error and click Erase, and your object will be properly removed. Once done, go back. Click here on Share and scroll below to download your image. If you want to know how to make cartoon-like animated videos using Canva for free, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.